Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thank you for watching Brenspeed TV. I have 3 awesome things to show you today. But first, don't forget, if you haven't, hit subscribe, hit notify to stay up to date. I've got a 2017 GT behind me running the Stage 2 Whipple kit. So we're gonna watch 2 back-to-back dyno pulls. We're gonna take a look at the Whipple Supercharger, and then you're probably wondering what's going on over here. I'm gonna talk all about that. Let's go check this right out. I got Doug with me today. So this is an automatic, it's a 2017 Stage 2 Whipple kit. We did change over to 3.5 pulley. We added a Kenny Bell booster pump. The car lays down really good power. It's got all the cooling mods. So you want to address cooling when you do this. Got our Adler radiator, cylinder head cooling kit, Kohler thermostat. It's a sick setup. It makes good power. It's going to be really, really fast. Besides that, the car is stock. Stock exhaust manifolds, stock cats, as well as stock mufflers. So this is the Stage 2 kit, and let me show you why I love the Stage 2. Come over here, Doug. First, look at this. This is a custom painted Whipple. We do this here. So if you like the Whipple Supercharger and you want something like this installed and you like this paint match, just email quote@brenspeed.com. We'll give you a price on that. Installed right out the door. Whipple offers painted superchargers, okay? A variety of colors, but we like doing the exact match to the car. So this is gonna go on a GT350 next week. I'll make the video on that. But a Stage 2 kit, that comes with larger injectors, and one of the coolest parts right here, check this out. This is their 132 millimeter throttle body. This is the stock throttle body. So if you got a Stage 1 kit, you're gonna be using an adapter for this, and the Stage 2 comes with the 132. Look at the front of this supercharger. The inlet is huge. So much flow, so you can see why you make great power with this 132 right here. It's a huge difference over the stock. Of course, the Stage 1 kit does come with some smaller injectors anyways, but I like the Stage 2. You get larger injectors, you get the big throttle body, but enough of this right here. Watch these 2 back-to-back dyno pulls. Awesome. 2 back-to-back pulls. The first pull made 670 to the tires. This is rated SAE on our DynoJet dyno. Second pull 686. Doug, take a look at this. 516 torque and 520 torque. So that's really cool. That's going to be enough power that if you want like a 10-second car, this car is an auto, put on some sticky tires, run 10s. That first pull was 7,100. The second pull, I went up to about 7,500. But that's a solid setup. It's awesome. Again, if you want something like this installed, you just email quote@brenspeed.com. Don't forget, we have free shipping. You probably have questions about this. Feel free to leave a comment. Happy to answer. Thanks for watching.